Today we will be testing a Forex scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 456 different strategies with 140 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was achieved on a live trading account, trading the Academy of Forex indicator on the crypto scalping strategy that I'll mention in this video. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 355 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,061 indicators with 442 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a Forex scalping strategy. And so the source video says this is a next level indicator. It tells you exactly when to enter and exit trades. And so, of course, we're going to put this to the test and see what we can get out of this strategy. And so what we'll do is just hide the two indicators we have on screen. Now, the first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the alpha shift indicator, this one right here. Go ahead and add that to the screen and jump into the settings. Actually, no, settings on this stay on the default. Make sure that they all match what I have here, but everything should be on just standard default settings. And the next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the prime bands indicator, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And again, we'll keep this one on its default settings. And so what we're looking for a short trade, so we're looking for when the price action starts to trade above the upper band of the prime bands indicator, or the channel right here. As you can see, price starts to trade above this upper band, this channel. And then what we're looking for is we are looking for this red kind of diamond type shape target that takes place right here. It's kind of hard to see. It's rather small, but you can see kind of a diamond shape there above this candle. And then once we pick up that diamond-like shape, we are then looking for the first candle to close back below the upper band line, this one right here. And so you can see how that plays out right here on this candle. And that'll be our signal to enter into a short. We'll put our trade right here. We'll put our stop just right above this pivot area, and we'll target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, putting us right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. Alright, so it takes just a little bit. We kind of run into consolidation. Then we make this push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we are looking for is we are looking for when price starts to trade below the lower band of the prime bands indicator, this channel here, as it's doing at this moment. Then you can see that we get a green diamond type shape right here. And then what we're looking for lastly is we're looking for the first candle to close back up above that lower band, like this one right here. And that'll be our signal to enter into a long. We'll put our trade right here. We'll put our stop just right below this pivot area, about where it is. And we'll target that same 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. This one makes a move a little bit quicker. Nice push, pull back, and then a push again gets us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. All right, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do, and out of those 50 trades, we got 21 winning trades and 29 losing trades. So we put it at a 42% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $12,600. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $11,600 for an overall gain of $1,000 altogether. So not a horrible strategy. It was able to achieve a little bit of profitability. I think after spreads and commissions, you may have been about half that. So closer to break even than really making any kind of profit, but still not losing money, I suppose. Now compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 47 trades altogether. We had 39 winning trades and 8 losing trades. It's going to put it at an 81% win rate. If you were looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $23,400. On the losing side, you'd have lost $9,600 for an overall gain of $13,800. So better results. Now, if you would have used the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons, it would have increased the win rate significantly. The total gain would have been closer to the $23,000. And so definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90% and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. And an update on the live trading account, so we're still at winning trade number 70. I'll put a screenshot up of that trade on screen now, so that way you can take a look at that. That's 70 winning trades in a row using the crypto scalping strategy and the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons. In backtesting, the combination was so powerful it did over 200 winning trades in a row before it finally took a losing trade. As a matter of fact, we're so confident in its ability to make you a profitable trader, we're offering a money back guarantee. If you join our Patreon and you're not profitable within the first month, we will give you your money back. You can join our Discord and look at the money back guarantee right here if you're interested in becoming a profitable trader. All right, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.